Welcome back to day 2 of the Planet Prove It Launch It webinar. Today we're going to talk about proving it. Now this is, in my opinion, the most important part of getting your business launched. This is where you have to prove that whatever product or service that you're offering is valid, whether or not the audience that you're trying to attract is really interested in what it is that you're trying to offer. So in this phase, I want you to think about how you're going to prove that you have something valuable that you want to be able to share. There are 3 really simple steps on how to verify whether or not this is a viable product that you have or service that you're offering. The first one is talk to people. You have to talk to people to make sure that what you have is something that they would be interested in buying. Talk to your neighbor, talk to your family, talk to your coworkers, talk to anyone, your gym partner, anyone who you feel would be interested in hearing what you have to say. The next one is to test the waters. Offer something free. Give them something free. Give them something that they know that they want, just to see, are they going to take it? Are they going to use it? Are they going to come back to you for more services? Whatever it is, you need to be able to talk to them and provide them with something that they are going to want. And the third thing is you want to be able to track the results. Be able to put it to pen to paper, get it in a recording, however way you want to do it, but at least track the results and see if people are interested in what you have to do. I can't stress this enough. This is the most viable piece, like I said at the beginning, the most viable part of trying to get your business off the ground before you invest $1 into what it is that you want to do. Make sure that it's something that whoever your target audience is, it's something that they are interested in either purchasing or trying it out for free. Now, you might be asking yourself, well, how do I do that? How do I go about getting the feedback that I'm looking for? Well, the first thing you can do, or one thing you can do, is create a landing page. A page where people can go and see what you have to offer and see if it's something that they would be interested in doing. Another one is, if you don't want to do something for free, you can offer like a pre-sale, something that, a customer or a potential customer would be interested in purchasing. The other thing you can do is just put it out on social media. Do a social media test in where you can tell people, okay, if you do this, whatever it is, try this out or whatever, and get a good response, then you will probably be on the right path to getting your business off the ground. Now, it's on the flip side. If nobody is responding, then you might have to go back and see how you can tweak your product or service, or put a poll out. That's another thing you can do. Put a survey or a poll on social media and ask people, hey, if you don't like this, how else can I improve? What else can I do in order to get the response or the positive feedback or get people wanting to purchase your product or service? Now, I will give you a good example on what I did before I started She Auto World. I went to car shows. I went to car conventions, and I talked to mainly female because they were my target audience. And I explained to them, hey, I'm looking to put together this service or offer this information. What do you think about this? And I happen to get a lot of positive feedback, but I also got some feedback that I didn't think about that they were interested in. So you can use that same type of strategy in order to get your business off the ground. Again, I cannot express it too much. You gotta talk to people. Get out there and talk to people before you actually put a dollar into your business. I know that they say, go ahead, just launch it and just get started. Yes, you can do that, but at least you have the ability to go in with the knowledge of saying, okay, well, this might work, this might not work, but as I'm going along, I can tweak it, but at least you have the knowledge going in on where your audience is going to be. Okay, so now I want you to grab your worksheet. It's going to be in the video below. It's going to be below this video, and we are going to do some exercises. Now, one of the exercises is write down 3 people you can talk to today about your idea. Talk to next week. The other thing is on page 2, pick one validation method. Landing page, pre-sale, poll, or social media, and write that out. On page 3, write the date you're intending to launch your test. That way, when you put pen to paper, it's out of your head, it's on paper, you get to see it every day, and that way it helps motivate you to move to the next phase, which is the launch it phase. And we will be talking about that tomorrow. But today, I want you to just focus on trying to figure out how you're going to put that action plan in place to validate your product or service. So that's it for today. I did not want to spend a lot of time. I didn't want to have to overwhelm you with so much information in one sitting. So hopefully you've gained some insight on how to prove or validate your product and service. So don't be discouraged. Don't give up. Keep coming back. And I will see you tomorrow when we go through the launch phase. In the meantime, have a good one. Bye. I came up with the name because it's a link between innovation and entrepreneurship. And because they're so closely linked, I just decided that I would call it Innovativship. And it's just kind of taken off from there. And the methodology the company has is it's structured to get an entrepreneur, and I'm saying entrepreneur, but it's entrepreneurs, small business owners, retirees that just want to start something from home. It's for anyone that has an idea that wants to start some type of business, and they want to know, how do I go from a concept to launch? That's basically it in a nutshell.